Hello dear users, I'm Miroslav Popov, and I'll continue with our tutorials about creating expert advisors. In the previous episode we saved our strategies for EURUSD market, and we started 3 instances of the generator for the other 3 major symbols: Great Britain USD, USD Swiss franc, and USD Japan. We started these generators, but from yesterday I restarted the generator several times in order to find better and more strategies. When the generators are running, they pushes strategies in a collection. Here, before starting the generator, we can write the collection name, and I set a different collection for every symbol. And now I have 3 collections here. Now this generator stopped Great Britain USD, but these 2 are still running. But it's not a problem, I can stop this. And I work only with the collections. A collection contains maximum up to 100 strategies. And these strategies are arranged internally by net balance. So we have here 100 strategies, and we have strategy with the minimum balance and one with the maximum balance. When a generator finds a new strategy, if this new strategy has a higher balance than the minimum, it pushes the generator pushes the strategy here in the collections, and the program removes the last strategy, so we have maximum 100. And taking that into account, we understand that we can run a generator multiple times. Every time the generator starts from the beginning, but when it finds a strategy, if the strategy accomplishes all criteria, the generator will push this strategy in the repository. So it's not a problem, we can restart the generator several times. I'll close that, because I'm sure all these strategies are collected in the repository. Okay. And now I have 3 repositories, 3 collections. And first, to be sure I'm not going to lose the strategies, I will save the repos of the collections. Why that? When I'm saving the collections, they are saved in a strategy folder of the program. I can see the strategy folder from File, User Files folder, Strategies, and these are the collections. They have a call, it comes from collection extension. So these are my 4 collections. And let's start with USD Japan, the first one. How I can use the collection? For here I can sort the strategies by a criteria. The default one is the net balance. And here I can select how many strategies to see. Let's see the top 30 strategies. So I also can use different filters. But let's see what I have here. These are sorted by net balance. When I click on a strategy, the program loads the strategy and shows here the strategy sorts, and also the program recalculates the strategy and shows the full statistics here and the actual balance. What we see here is the balance line calculated by generator, but the generator may use different historical data or out of sample, and this balance may not be actual. So when I select a strategy here, the program loads the historical data, the last data we have, and calculates the full stats. So what I see here in the right part of the screen is the latest, the real balance and real stats using the latest data I have. And let's see what I have for USD GPI.